Large format printing in the industrial sector has always been challenging. As well as operating 24/7 in hot, dusty environments, the perfect coding solution needs to print high-resolution codes, including impactful logos and brand identity at very high speeds, often exceeding 100 meters per minute. Until now, industrial printers have often compromised on one of these things, trading print quality and resolution for reliability or speed. Typically, a printer's capability to print at high resolution onto plasterboard, timber, and other construction materials will be compromised as the speed of the production line increases. The print becomes less opaque than is ideal, and the opportunity for effective branding is missed. Alternatively, a low-resolution printing technology may maintain the clarity of its print at high speeds, but will not have the resolution to achieve high-quality logos or to print machine-readable codes. The Domino Cx350i industrial printer provides the ability to create large format codes without compromising on print resolution, print quality, and speed. It has been built on a foundation of high reliability and delivers market-leading print quality, usability, and connectivity. It can print any combination of text, logos, and 1D and 2D barcodes. And multiple print heads can be combined to create larger print areas. Importantly, the printer's ability to maintain clarity at high speeds helps to assure that barcodes are readable and logos are crisp and clear,